In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable this Goth skin for Mantis. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. Okay, so I'm going to put this link in the video description. But basically, you just download this file. And when it's downloading, go into Marvel Rivals. Right click on it, go to Properties, go to Installed Files, go to Browse. Here, you go to Marvel Game, Marvel Content, Packs, and then I have a mods folder here. By default, you're not going to have a mods folder, so you just right click on it, say new folder, and put mods. Okay, so go back to that the file that you downloaded, open it with WinRAR, and then you just copy and paste it. I already have it here, so that's fine. And that is it. Start the game as normal and choose Mantis, and you'll see Mantis is wearing the new Goth outfit.